that they are experts in education are people who studied how to be a good educator. But there are many things we can't do. We can't make people better if they don't want to. Education in French means élever. For those who understand French, élever means to lift, to take people from where they are, to take them up. So this is to tell you how difficult
we keep on learning in our life. This is the end of life.
Second, I'd like to apologize because my English is not very well. I'm sure you all talk English better than me. Thank you, you made my day, thank you. This is my third language, so English is not very good. When I make mistake, you know, I'm here to make mistakes. Well, I wanted to tell you how happy I am for two reasons. First, I'm happy to be with young people. It makes me feel younger. Because working with young people is very stimulating, and it makes me, it takes me up, it lifts. Because I feel that these people are better than me because they have, I hope, much more time to learn, much more time to be better. And this is the goal of education. The second reason is there are Lebanese people that I love, certainly, because I love Lebanese people. But I love very much Italy and everything related to Italy. I used to think that Italy is the most beautiful country in the world after Rome. You have a... Who are the Italian? Where are the Italians?
It's a mixed mash.
Yes, good. It's very good for the first time to be mentored. So you are lucky to be born Italian, and we are lucky to be born Lebanese. So let's put our luck together and make our country better if we can. You are not a few, you are a few, but you are going to spread like light. When everyone is lighted, everybody sees the light in the darkness. If every one of you is a small light, you will be enlightening more and more people. Well, we are going to play. We have a few hours, maybe 6 or 7 hours. We have 2 hours to spend together. I wish we can play. We're going to play one or two things. The first one is about I'll tell you afterwards what it is about. All you have to do now is to look at something. This something is going to be a table. Yes. Okay. This table is full of things. I'd like you, please, to have a paper, and you have paper and pen.